Gemini versus ChatGPT, which is better? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can figure out whether Gemini is for you or ChatGPT is for you and which is more smarter. So make sure to stick with me till the end. Now, not about smartness, but first let's talk about some features. So first of all, both Gemini and ChatGPT are powerful AI models that can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. Now the difference is our focus. Gemini excels at following complex instructions and completing specific tasks, while ChatGPT shines in creative text formats and open-ended conversations. And Gemini offers unique features like code generation and interleaved image and text generation, while ChatGPT is known for its accessibility and ease of use. Now who wins? Well, first of all, let's talk about the free version. Now you know that these are both AI text bots, right? Gemini can also talk in text. ChatGPT can also talk in text, but here's where Gemini wins in the free version, and that is that Gemini actually gives you an option to upload images and analyze them. So if you don't know what a certain image is about, you can just go ahead and select upload image here, and you can ask it what the image is about, and it will summarize the images for you like I have done over here, and it will show me what it is. Now ChatGPT also has that in the free version, something called upload file, but this is actually a limited feature from GPT-4, so you have to pay to get that subscription. But when you actually pay, because both of them cost around $20 a month, then you understand the differences that ChatGPT also is quite much more smarter and much more advanced than Google. Now, because think about it this way, ChatGPT is run by OpenAI, a company whose main focus is to run an AI platform, whereas Gemini is owned by Google and AI is not their primary focus. They have got Google Pixel phones, they have got software, they have got hardware, they sell many things, and that is why AI is one of the core contexts. But whereas ChatGPT is from OpenAI, so naturally it will be much more smarter because they will try to collect more data and try to give you smarter answers because that is their main focus. But Gemini is also good, at least on the free version, but when you start paying $20 a month for Gemini Advanced and ChatGPT Plus, then I see ChatGPT as a win. So I hope that this video helped you understand. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.